In today's episode of Healthy Eating, we'll be making this low carb, high protein healthy bread. Keep watching. The first thing to do is to separate your whole egg into yolks and whites, precisely 2 portions of white, because we'll need only the whites for this recipe. Don't worry, the egg yolk won't go to waste. I'll show you what to do with it in another video. So separate carefully and don't allow the yolk to mix into the white. Set 1 portion of the egg white aside, we'll come to it later. Then in a clean bowl, add in your almond flour or grounded almond. I'll drop detailed measurements of the ingredients used in the description, so check that out. To the almond flour, add in baking powder, sweetener of choice, this is optional, you can leave it out, salt, lemon juice, coconut oil. You can use melted butter or olive oil, but I use coconut oil in this recipe, and 1 portion of your egg white, and mix thoroughly until combined. Next, to the second portion of egg white, you want to make a meringue out of it. So a stand mixer or a hand mixer makes this process faster, so you need that. You could use a hand whisk. I've tried making a meringue with a hand whisk one time, and yeah, it came out nice, it came out well. They formed a stiff peak. It only takes you time and a lot of arm muscles. So whip until you get stiff peaks like this, then pour 1/3 of it into the almond flour mixture. Use your hand whisk to whisk thoroughly until combined and light enough. Next, pour in the second batch and fold gently. Note, you have to fold and not mix. You don't want to mix this so you don't deflate the meringue. So you fold gently. Just watch the way I'm folding this. A spatula works best for this. Then repeat the folding process with the final meringue, and your batter is ready. This is just the right consistency. It should be light but not running, so you don't want to have a running consistency. Then pour into your prepared pan. I had a little accident here, but I wasn't ready to change the pan or use another pan, so I had to use it like that. So pour it immediately into your prepared pan and bake at 180 degrees for 50 minutes. Do not open the oven before the time. Yeah, my bread is ready and I couldn't wait to get it out. You need to allow it cool down before you try to remove the paper or bring it out of the pan, but I was just too impatient. I wanted to see how it came out, and yes, it's just perfect. This can be toasted or eaten how you eat your regular bread. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment below, share and like this video, and subscribe to the channel for more. See you in my next video.